Ever tried making bread at home only to end up with a dense, uneven loaf? Yeah, we've all been there. That's why a good bread maker is a total game changer. No more kneading, no more guesswork, just fresh, homemade bread at the push of a button. In this video, I'll show you the best bread makers that take the hassle out of baking and let you enjoy warm, fluffy bread whenever you want. Let's get started. KBS Pro Stainless Steel Bread Machine. If you're looking for a bread maker that does more than just bake bread, this bread maker is for you. It's got 17 different programs, so you can make everything from French bread to gluten-free loaves, even jam and yogurt. The ceramic non-stick pan ensures even baking and keeps your bread free from chemicals. Plus, with the 15-hour delay timer, you can wake up to fresh bread without lifting a finger. And get this, the automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds mix-ins at just the right time. Fresh, homemade bread just got a whole lot easier. Neretva 20-in-1 Bread Maker. This retro green beauty is more than just a pretty face. The Neretva Bread Maker comes with 20 preset programs, so you can bake bread, make pizza dough, whip up jam, or even ferment yogurt. It's got dual heating elements that bake from the top and bottom for perfectly even bread. If you want a stylish all-in-one machine that does it all, this one's a solid pick. West Bend High-Rise Bread Maker. This bread maker can bake up to 3 pounds of bread, perfect if you're feeding a crowd. It has dual kneading blades to give your dough extra stretch, resulting in lighter, fluffier bread. Plus, the delayed start timer means you can set it in the morning and come home to the smell of fresh bread, no effort required. Zojirushi Home Bakery Supreme Bread Maker. If you're serious about homemade bread, this is a top-tier choice. This machine can do everything: bake bread, make cakes, knead dough, and even cook meatloaf. The LCD control panel is easy to use, and you can adjust the crush shade to get the exact golden brown finish you love. Cuisinart Bread Maker Machine. If you love the smell of fresh bread but hate the work, this Cuisinart Bread Maker is your new best friend. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you get bakery-style results with the press of a button. Customize your loaf with 3 crush shades, light, medium, or dark, and peek through the built-in viewing window as it bakes. Plus, the vertical baking pan saves counter space, so you get fresh bread without a cluttered kitchen. Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. For serious bread lovers, the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus is a game changer. It features double kneading blades for that perfect dough texture and dual heaters for even baking and browning. Whether you're making whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, or even sugar-free bread, this machine has you covered. So, you've got the perfect bread maker. Now, how do you slice that fresh, fluffy loaf without squishing it? In this video, I'll show you the best serrated bread knives that glide through homemade bread like butter, giving you perfect slices every time. No more crushed loaves or jagged cuts. Check this video out.